Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is soup day. These are the fish I'm about to use to cook the soup. Okay? And these are some of the ingredients I'm about to use. Yam, okra, pumpkin, carrot, green banana, and potatoes. The first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna boil 2 cloves of garlic with a few pieces of the fish. Not all the fish I'm putting in the water right now. I'm gonna leave back a few for the final stage of the soup. Guys, I'm going to remove the fish now from the water and debone it. Debone the fish and get it ready for the next stage. But first I have to strain off this water in another pot and then start the other phase of the cooking. Now guys, I'm going to strain off the broth from the fish to get all the bones out. Okay guys, this is the deboned fish. I'm going to place back in the pot with a few pimento berries. Guys, also saute some of my seasoning, what I'm going to put in the pot immediately after the fish. I'm using just a teaspoon of olive oil. I'm sauteing 1 small onion. Three clove garlic. And 1 small bell pepper. Now guys, I will be adding my pumpkin and my carrot. Now I'm adding my yam. It's yellow yam. Okay guys, these are Irish potatoes. I'm going to cut them up in cubes and also peel 3 green bananas. Just showing you how to peel banana, guys. This is it. Now I'm adding the banana and the Irish potato. Yes guys, the next step is I'm gonna make some dumpling. First, I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah, I'm gonna use about 4 tablespoons of corn flour, which is cornmeal. And about 5 tablespoons of flour. Just making some spinach, or spinners, what they call it. Not spinach, spinners. Just about half a teaspoon salt.
No man, that's too much.
Now for the dumpling, guys. Okay guys, the food is cooked. So now to start with the seasoning in the pot, I'll be using a fish tea soup mix. Notice I add any salt to the pot as yet. Now to add my okra and my scallion, guys. The scallion right here, and the okra. Also my thyme. One whole Scotch bonnet pepper and half of Scotch bonnet pepper. Also guys, I'm going to add the remaining fish that left. Guys, this soup is rich. Smell good. Also, we'll be adding just a little bit of seasoning salt, onion powder, a vegetable bouillon, all-purpose season, garlic powder, fish seasoning. The only seasoning here having a bit of salt is the seasoning salt. Everything else is salt free. Okay guys, my soup is ready. This is it, finished.